The ground explodes beneath your feet. Trees snap like toothpicks. Birds burst out of the jungle in a screaming cloud of feathers. You turn around, and something the size of a school bus crashes through the forest. A giant Tyrannosaurus Rex. Its jaws open, rows of teeth the size of kitchen knives. And suddenly you realize something terrifying. You are not the top of the food chain anymore. Welcome to Earth 66 million years ago. Imagine waking up in this world. No cities, no cars, no buildings, just endless prehistoric jungle stretching to the horizon. The air feels warmer, thicker. Strange sounds echo everywhere, and somewhere nearby, something roars. Dinosaurs ruled this planet for over 160 million years, creatures larger than anything humans have ever faced. And if humans suddenly appeared in this world, survival would become the greatest challenge in history, because every step you take could be your last. Section 1. The Prehistoric World. The dinosaur world wasn't empty wilderness, it was alive. Forests taller and denser than anything today. Giant ferns the size of houses. Insects buzzing through thick, humid air. Rivers packed with ancient reptiles. The sky filled with massive flying creatures. And on the ground, footprints the size of bathtubs. Imagine walking through the jungle carefully. Suddenly the ground shakes again, but this time it isn't a predator. A herd of massive herbivores emerges from the trees, towering Brachiosaurus. These giants stand over 40 feet tall. Each step shakes the earth. Despite eating plants, creatures this big could crush a human without even noticing. Just being near them would be dangerous. But herbivores aren't the biggest threat, because somewhere nearby, the hunters are watching. In the distance, a shadow moves. Not one shadow, several. Small dinosaurs dart through the undergrowth, fast, silent. And suddenly you realize something chilling. They're not chasing you, they're surrounding you. Section 2. Pack hunters. Some dinosaurs hunted in groups. Fast predators similar to wolves, except covered in scales and claws. Sharp sickle-shaped talons, lightning reflexes, and intelligence. These creatures didn't rely on brute strength. They relied on strategy. One distracts you, another attacks from behind. In seconds, the hunt is over. This is why survival in the dinosaur age wouldn't just depend on strength. It would depend on intelligence, something humans have plenty of. Because humans have something dinosaurs never developed: cooperation, communication, and tools. Section 3. Human adaptation. The first humans in this world would need to adapt quickly. Finding shelter would be the first priority. Large predators can't easily climb cliffs, so rocky hills and caves would become natural defenses. Fire would become humanity's greatest weapon. The flickering light, the smoke, the heat. Most animals fear it. Dinosaurs likely would too. At night, a small group of humans sitting around a fire might be safe, but the world outside the firelight would still be filled with danger. Then there's the sky, because land predators aren't the only threat. Section 4. Monsters in the sky. High above the jungle, massive wings glide through the clouds. Pterosaurs, flying reptiles with wingspans over 30 feet. Some hunted fish, but others hunted land animals. Imagine standing in an open valley. A shadow suddenly covers the ground. You look up. Something dives, fast, silent, a giant beak snapping toward the ground. In a world like this, danger could come from above at any moment. But dinosaurs wouldn't be the only deadly creatures humans face. The planet itself would be brutal. Section 5. The prehistoric environment. Storms would be violent. Lightning igniting forests, volcanoes erupting across ancient landscapes, earthquakes shaking the ground beneath entire ecosystems. And then there were the oceans, because the seas of the prehistoric world held monsters even bigger than the dinosaurs, creatures capable of swallowing humans whole, which means even water wouldn't be safe.
But here's where things get interesting. Humans have survived impossible environments before. Ice ages, deserts, dense jungles. And we didn't survive by being the strongest. We survived by being the smartest. Section 6. Humans fight back. Over time, humans would learn the patterns of dinosaurs, which areas predators hunt, which plants are safe, which rivers hold fish. Stone tools would appear, spears, sharp blades, primitive traps. Suddenly, humans wouldn't just be prey, they would become survivors. But even if humans adapted, there was something coming that no creature on Earth could stop. Section 7. The asteroid. Far out in space, a massive asteroid was already on its way. 6 miles wide, traveling faster than a rifle bullet and heading straight for Earth. When it struck the planet, the impact would be unimaginable. The explosion would release more energy than billions of nuclear bombs. Forests would ignite. Shockwaves would circle the planet. The sky would darken for months. Dinosaurs that ruled Earth for millions of years would disappear. But humans might survive, because intelligence gives us something dinosaurs never had: the ability to adapt, to plan, to rebuild. Section 8. A new world. After the asteroid, the planet would change forever. The age of dinosaurs would end, and a new era would begin. If humans had lived during the dinosaur age, we might have witnessed the greatest extinction event in Earth's history. And from that disaster, our species might rise to dominate the planet. Which raises a fascinating thought. The only reason humans rule Earth today is because the dinosaurs didn't survive.